And we just fired that one up, as you seen. Now comes time for this one. Now mind you, guys, it's like 25, 30 degrees out here. Oh. Let's see. Yep, we're neutral. We're neutral. Fuel shut off and shoved in, and give it a little bit of throttle here. And guys, this takes two hands with this one. Just because T-switch been down like this. And this one does not have glow plugs and was not plugged in, so it takes it a minute. Let's give that starter a second here. And she's trying, but let's see if I can get you all halfway propped up here where you might see something. Well, that didn't work. Let's see. Yeah, that might work. She is cold this morning. And of course this battery would die. Oh. And now I'm gonna have to see if I can find some jumper cables or something. Because this one here is cold as cold gets. Really hadn't been running at high RPMs or anything the past few days, so the generator really hadn't done a whole lot of generating. But see if I can find some jumper cables.